Get ready to rev up your savings. In today's video, we're diving into 20 car gadgets deals from Amazon's early Black Friday, with massive discounts up to 60% off for a limited time. From smart tech upgrades to must-have accessories, these rare finds are selling fast. Don't wait for the big rush. Grab these early steals now and level up your ride before prices shoot back up. Number 1. Yaberauto 12-in-1 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Yaberauto 12-in-1 Jump Starter is a must-have for any driver, offering a powerful 8,000 amp peak current to jumpstart cars, trucks, and SUVs in seconds. Its built-in 160 PSI air compressor inflates tires, sports balls, and air mattresses with ease, while the fast 65-watt USB charging lets you power devices on the go. Durable and portable, it also includes an LED emergency light, making it perfect for road trips or unexpected breakdowns. Number 2. Rove R3 3-channel dash cam, front and rear. The Rove R3 dash cam keeps your vehicle fully covered with 3 cameras, front, rear, and cabin, capturing sharp 1440p and 1080p video day or night. Its 3-inch IPS touchscreen makes playback simple, while infrared night vision and motion detection ensure 24-hour protection. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for instant clip sharing, it's an ideal companion for safety-conscious drivers wanting peace of mind on every trip. Number 3. Fahren H7L Ultra Bright Fog Light Bulbs 6500K. Fahren H7L Fog light bulbs deliver a brilliant 6500 Kelvin cool white beam, cutting through fog, rain, and darkness with ease. Built from aviation-grade aluminum with a cooling fan, they stay cool and long-lasting during extended drives. Plug-and-play installation makes upgrading effortless, while their bright, flicker-free output increases nighttime visibility. Perfect for dark highways or foggy mountain roads, they keep your driving safe and confident. Number 4. Astroai S8 Ultra 4000A Car Battery Jump Starter. The Astroai S8 Ultra Jump Starter packs 4,000 amps of power, capable of jump-starting 10-liter gas or 8-liter diesel engines quickly. Compact yet rugged, it features smart protections against sparks, overcharging, and reverse polarity. It also doubles as a power bank with dual USB ports and a fast charging output, while the built-in LED flashlight offers SOS and strobe modes for emergencies. Reliable and versatile, it's perfect for road trips or off-grid adventures. Number 5. Hotor Foldable Trunk Organizer for SUV and Sedan. The Hotor Foldable Trunk Organizer keeps your car neat with multiple compartments and removable dividers for groceries, tools, or emergency kits. Made from heavy-duty Oxford fabric, it withstands daily wear and folds flat for easy storage. The non-slip base keeps items secure during drives, while its versatile design fits sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Simple yet practical, it's a smart way to maintain order and maximize cargo space on every trip. Number 6. Czkbg 10-in-1 Portable Car Battery Jump Starter. The Czkbg 10-in-1 Jump Starter combines power and convenience, delivering 4,000 amps to revive dead batteries fast. It also features a built-in LED flashlight, USB-C charging, and even an air pump for tires, making it perfect for travel or emergencies. Compact and safe, it includes overcharge and reverse polarity protections. With multiple functions in one portable device, it's a must-have tool for anyone wanting peace of mind on the road. Number 7. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner 6-pack. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner keeps engines running smoothly with a 6-pack that cleans injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. It improves performance, fuel efficiency, and cold start response, making it ideal for cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Easy to use during routine maintenance, it restores lost power and reduces knocking. This affordable solution helps prolong engine life, maintain efficiency, and ensure your vehicle runs at its best on every drive. Number 8. Icarcover Custom Car Cover for Ford Mustang 1964 to 1968. The Icarcover Custom Car Cover is designed specifically for Ford Mustangs from 1964 to 1968, offering superior protection from UV rays, rain, dust, and snow. Its soft, non-abrasive interior prevents scratches, while elastic hems and reinforced straps keep it secure in windy conditions. Perfect for indoor or outdoor storage, this durable cover preserves your Mustang's classic look, making it a smart choice for collectors and enthusiasts who want to protect their prized vehicle. Number 9. Auxbeam 4-inch 110-watt round off-road LED light pods. Auxbeam's 4-inch LED light pods deliver 110 watts of powerful brightness, perfect for off-road adventures or night driving. Built with die-cast aluminum and shatterproof lenses, they withstand rain, mud, and rough terrain. The combination beam pattern offers wide and focused illumination, while easy mounting and waterproof connectors make installation quick. Rugged, stylish, and dependable, these lights enhance visibility and safety, making every off-road or nighttime drive brighter and more confident. Number 10. Whybox Wireless CarPlay Adapter AI Video Box. The Whybox Wireless CarPlay Adapter transforms your wired CarPlay into a wireless experience, eliminating the hassle of plugging in cables every drive. It connects via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for instant access to navigation, music, calls, and voice commands. With a built-in Android system, you can stream YouTube or Netflix directly on your screen, and split-screen multitasking keeps it modern and functional. Compact and easy to install, it makes every ride smarter and more enjoyable. Number 11. Magsen half-inch cordless impact wrench 900 ft-lbs. The Magsen half-inch cordless impact wrench delivers an impressive 900 foot-pounds of torque, making tire changes and heavy-duty repairs faster and easier. Its cordless design offers ultimate mobility, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use. With a durable motor and long-lasting battery, it's perfect for home garages or professional mechanics. Quick, powerful, and reliable, this tool brings professional-grade performance right to your fingertips. Number 12. Spta Cordless Mini Car Polisher 12-volt scratches. Killer. The Spta Cordless Mini Car Polisher is a game changer for DIY detailing, removing scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation effortlessly. Its compact 12-volt design allows cordless convenience and easy maneuvering on tight surfaces. Lightweight yet powerful, it provides smooth, consistent polishing results. Perfect for cars, motorcycles, and boats, it restores paint shine without leaving streaks. Achieve professional-level detailing at home with this handy portable polisher. Number 13. Vacuum Magnetic Suction Phone Holder. Foldable, keep your phone secure while driving with this vacuum magnetic suction phone holder. The strong magnet and vacuum suction base hold devices firmly on dashboards or windshields, while its foldable arm adjusts for the perfect viewing angle. Easy to install and remove, it's compatible with most smartphones. Sleek, practical, and compact, this phone holder ensures hands-free navigation and safe driving without cluttering your car interior. Number 14. Landerpow Pure Sine Wave 3500 Watt Power Inverter 12-volt. The Landerpow Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter delivers 3,500 watts of clean, stable AC power from a 12-volt car battery. Ideal for powering sensitive electronics, laptops, TVs, and more, it ensures devices run efficiently without interference. Durable and portable, it's perfect for road trips, RV adventures, or emergency backup situations. Reliable and powerful, this inverter turns your vehicle into a mobile power station anytime you need it. Number 15. Foronetry Floor Mats for Tesla Model Y. Juniper. Protect your Tesla Model Y with Foronetry floor mats in a stylish juniper color. Designed for a perfect fit, these mats guard against dirt, spills, and wear, while adding a sleek look to your interior. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, they stay in place thanks to non-slip backing. Functional and visually appealing, these floor mats keep your Tesla looking pristine while offering ultimate protection for daily use. Number 16. Spta 200-watt car power. Inverter DC. 12-volt to 110-volt AC. The Spta 200-watt power inverter converts your car's 12-volt DC into 110-volt AC power, perfect for charging laptops, cameras, and small appliances on the go. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in cup holders or glove compartments. With built-in safety features like surge protection and short-circuit prevention, it keeps your devices secure. Practical, efficient, and portable, it's a must-have for travelers and daily drivers alike. Number 17. Fantic X8 Apex. Portable tire, inflator 150 psi. The Fantic X8 Apex tire inflator delivers up to 150 psi for quick and easy tire inflation. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for cars, SUVs, bikes, or sports equipment. The digital display shows precise pressure readings and automatic shutoff ensures safe operation. Compact yet powerful, this inflator keeps you ready for emergencies or everyday maintenance, saving time and providing peace of mind on the road. Number 18. Yaberauto 3157 LED reverse light bulbs. 6000K white upgrade, your reverse lights with Yaberauto 3157 LED bulbs, producing a crisp 6000 Kelvin bright white beam. Energy efficient and long-lasting, they improve visibility when backing up at night or in low-light condition. Easy plug-and-play installation ensures a perfect fit without modifications. Stylish and functional, these bulbs enhance safety and give your your vehicle a modern, premium look while keeping you confident behind the wheel. Number 19. E-Jaeger 2500 Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. The E-Jaeger 2.5K Dual Dash Cam records high-resolution video from both front and rear cameras, capturing every detail on the road. Equipped with loop recording, G-sensor impact detection, and night vision, it provides reliable 24-hour surveillance. Compact and easy to install, it connects to your smartphone for instant viewing. Perfect for drivers who want added safety, documentation, and peace of mind during every journey. Number 20. Czkbg Hands-Free Electric Suction Phone Mount. The Czkbg Hands-Free Electric Suction Phone Mount makes mounting your smartphone effortless with one-touch auto-clamping. The powerful suction keeps devices secure on dashboards or windshields, while the adjustable arm provides the perfect viewing angle. Compatible with most phones, it supports hands-free navigation, calls, and music control. Sleek, convenient, and modern, this mount enhances driving safety and simplifies every commute or road trip. And that's a wrap on the 20-car gadget deals from Amazon's early Black Friday. Don't miss out on these massive savings. Upgrade your ride, boost safety, and enjoy smart accessories before the deals disappear. Act fast.